Like, we need to give the skincare producers, give them a break. Skincare is like mathematics. It has a formula. If you don't follow the formula, if you don't apply the right formula, you're definitely going to have the wrong results. Take it from me. Now, I'm going to give you a little tip. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you are just stopping by for the very first time, you're welcome. I hope you have a nice time here. On this channel, we do skincare videos. I'm a skincare lover, but I'm on a budget. So I share affordable skincare products here. We do DIYs. We do anti-aging from inside to the outside. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Hope you are doing fine. Hope you're having a nice day. Hope you are living the best of your life. And if things aren't going well, don't worry. Everything's going to be fine at the right time. So I'm back again with another exciting video or exciting topic. This time it's a tip, just a few tips I want to give you quickly. I was inspired to make this video by a sister who contacted me and was telling me how she has used everything on her skin and she's not getting the right results. And I started asking her a few questions, and I noticed that a lot of us out there really want a beautiful skin. We really want to have beautiful skin, but there's some things that are really so minor, also very little basic things that we do not know, and we take them for granted. Because we take them for granted, we end up getting bad results. We end up worsening our skincare issues even get worse. So before you go out there bashing on skincare producers, saying how their products don't work, their products damage your skin, you want to make sure you are using the right formula. You want to make sure you are following the procedures the way you are supposed to. Now, to begin with, do you even know your skin type? Because before you go out there to buy a product, you need to know your skin type. If you don't know your skin type, you will just go around and buy any kind of product. If you are really a skincare lover, please find a way to know your skin type. If you can't know your skin type, go to your dermatologist and let your dermatologist tell you your skin type. That's where you start from. That's the start, the very basic thing you want to know. The foundation of having a beautiful skin is knowing your skin type. Just imagine you have dry skin and you go now and take products for oily skin and you start applying on your skin. You start causing breakouts and so on and so forth. Or you have oily skin, you go and collect products for those who have dry skin or sensitive skin or combination skin. You start applying on your skin, you start causing skin complications and all whatnot. So go and know your skin type. Secondly, do you exfoliate your skin? Exfoliation is a must. It has nothing to do with skin lightening. Anybody who is obsessed about beautiful skin should be obsessed about exfoliation. You need to exfoliate your skin 2 times in a week, at least. Okay, if you are extremely lazy, at least do it once in a week. Don't complain that your products are not working if you are not exfoliating your skin. Don't complain that your products are not working if you don't know your skin type, because you might be using a product that is not appropriate for your skin type. You get what I mean? Next thing, do you apply sunscreen on your skin? It doesn't matter whether you are using plant-based products or you're using chemical-based hydroquinone, steroids, whatever you're using on your skin, excuse me, you need sunscreen. Because even lemon, if you apply lemon on your face and you go out under the sun in the morning without shielding your skin from the sun, with time you are going to develop sunburn. That is just normal. Don't be deceiving yourself that no, it's just natural products, DIYs. Yes, even those DIYs, that's why some are specifically for some particular skin type. And when you use them, always protect your skin. Even white people who don't bleach their skin, they protect their skin from the sun, they shield their skin from the sun. How more of you? Some of you are living in Africa, some parts of Africa that are very, very hot, extremely hot in some seasons, of course, and you are using lightening products 24/7. You don't apply sunscreen. What do you expect? You will definitely get sunburn. You will definitely get sunburn. The next thing, you who is saying that your products give you green vein, are you sure that product actually was supposed to give you green vein? You use skincare products, you don't give a break. You need to give a break. whether you're using plant-based food or whatever, whether you call it organic or you call it natural, I don't care the name you give to it. You cannot be using lightening products on your skin day and night, 24/7. You need to give it a break. Go and get body moisturizers that can build your skin, skin firming lotions, body butters that can help give some elasticity to your skin. Because when you lightening products normally thin the skin, they make your skin to become fragile. So you have, from time to time, you have to give your skin a break. Take a break, 1 week break, 2 weeks break, and moisturize your skin, feed your skin, nourish your skin before you go back to your lightening products. I'm just going, like, giving you tips. If you really want to know detail, you can leave comments below and I'll do that. So you don't want to be using lightening products on your skin 24/7. Then the next thing is that, are you even applying the product the way the manufacturer asked you to? Some of you buy products, they say use once in a day. You go and use it twice in a day. Some of you buy products, they say use from your neck to your toes. You go and apply it on your face. And you come tomorrow, you start blaming them. No, darling, it's not their fault. It's your fault. It's your fault. Because you want for sharp, fast. Some of you don't want to spend money to buy face cream. You go and carry your body lotion, you put on your face. What do you expect? I've said it on this channel many times that the ingredients used in making face lotions most of the time, or face creams, are different. Especially the base oils are different from what they use in making body lotions. That's why they say don't use it on your face. If a manufacturer doesn't state that face and body lotion, don't put it on your face, put it on your skin, because your face is more sensitive. And the last thing I'm going to say is that always do well to check the ingredients in your products. You want to know, if you know your skin type, the next thing you want to know is the kind of ingredients that work well with your skin. Not everybody rolls well with kojic acid. Some people apply kojic acid products on their skin and they turn red. Not everybody works well with vitamin C. Some people take vitamin C or apply vitamin C products on their skin and they start getting bumps. I've seen somebody who takes vitamin C supplement. Each time she takes this vitamin C supplement, she starts getting pimples, breakouts, and all whatnot. So you want to know your skin type, know what works well for your skin before you go out there to purchase. And if you don't know, consult your dermatologist. If you don't know, talk to skin therapists or those people who mix skin products and all whatnot. And stop trying to mix things you do not know about, you have no idea about. So that will be it for this video for today, and I hope I help somebody, and I hope you'll be able to share so another person can learn, and we correct some of the mistakes we make in skincare, and we give the blame to skincare producers or skincare manufacturers. I'll see you in my next video. Please hit the subscription button if you have not done so, and give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and let me know what next you want me to talk about in the in the comment section. Bye bye. I love you all.